Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Cash App not working in iPhone and iPad. So how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting. Click on this and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn on Wi-Fi toggle. At least the 30 second you have turn it on. And after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode. At least the 30 second you have turn it off. And after that scroll down and click on journal, and from here scroll down and click on date and time and make sure that turn on this toggle set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that go back, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen and open again setting, and from here scroll down and click on again journal, and from here click on iPhone storage and search for this Cash App. Scroll down, click on Cash App, and from here you make sure that offload your app. After a few minutes you have again installed, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and open your app store, and from here search for this Cash App. Click on Cash App, click on this and make sure that update your Cash App, and after update your Cash App go back and check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open again setting and scroll down and click on journal and click on software update, and from here you make sure that update your iPhone and iPad. After update your iPhone and iPad, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back and long press on Cash App, and what you need to do it, delete your Cash App, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.